Is your car giving you trouble? Maybe making strange noises?
Loud noises!
Not performing well enough? Or even smoke coming from the exhaust? This can all be signs of engine failure. So let's talk about engine replacement. What to watch out for, when it's the right decision, and most importantly, how much does it cost? If you'd like to learn more about engine replacement costs or explore your options for a car with engine trouble, be sure to visit CarBrain.com or click the link in the description. Strange noises like knocking, tapping, and grinding are a bad sign. Excessive smoke from the exhaust, especially blue or black, could mean internal engine problems. If your car struggles to accelerate or stalls frequently, it might be engine trouble. Leaking oil or cooling can also signal big engine problems. So when is it the right time to replace the engine? There are a few key factors. If your engine is wrecked from overheating, lack of maintenance, or other issues, a replacement might be necessary. As cars age, the engine tends to wear out, especially for high mileage vehicles. Replacement might be needed. If fixing your car's engine costs more than the car's value, or even close to the cost of replacement, then selling it might be a better option. Let's get down to the money talk. How much does it cost to replace an engine? Well, it depends on a few things. Luxury or exotic vehicles typically have pricier parts. New engines cost the most, while used engines are a more budget-friendly option. Rebuilt engines fall somewhere in between. This depends on the mechanic's experience, the shop location, and complexity of the job. On average, expect to pay anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 or more, depending on these factors. Maybe you're wondering if insurance covers engine replacement? Well, it depends. Comprehensive and collision coverage might help if the engine is damaged in an accident, but not from general wear and tear. Always check your policy details with your provider. If you decide not to replace the engine, CarBrain can help. We buy cars in all conditions, including those with engine problems. We offer a hassle-free process with free towing. Get an instant offer for your car today. We hope this video helped you get a better understanding of engine replacement.
Thank you for thinking CarBrain. Subscribe to our CarBrain YouTube channel to stay up to date on more car videos. And remember, we buy it all.